Sandgrouse. Strikingly beautiful birds of the scrub jungle. The sandgrouse species stands out as among the most beautiful of birds, with intricate play of colors and patterns on their plumage. These ground-dwelling birds are residents of the scrub jungle and feed on insects and seeds. Two of the 16 sandgrouse species are found in India: the painted sandgrouse and the chestnut-bellied sandgrouse. I and a friend accidentally stumbled upon these birds while driving around the ruins of Hampi in Karnataka's Bellary district. The painted sandgrouse, also called the necklace bird, as the male sports a distinctive brown and white band around its neck that resembles a necklace. The body of the male has a base color of rich sandy brown with chocolate and white plumage on its back, as if a painter held the bird in his hand and delivered a few strokes with his brush. The female of the species has more intricately patterned plumage than the male. White and chocolate brown strokes intermingle with sandy brown. The chestnut-bellied sandgrouse stands taller than the painted sandgrouse. Its body color is sandy brown with patterns in its plumage discernible from the waist downwards. The female chestnut-bellied sandgrouse has similar plumage pattern as the female of the painted sandgrouse. Resident of grasslands and scrub forests, the two sandgrouse species have an extensive habitat in South Asia, but birdwatchers are reporting fewer and fewer sightings of this beautiful bird. Despite their bright plumage, the bird blends so well with the background that it is almost difficult to spot. The birds forage and nest on the ground and disappear in the undergrowth when threatened. Thank you for watching Phototune.in. Subscribe the channel and share the video.